YouTube, welcome back to our channel Mom's Kitchen with the Boys, and today we are going to be reacting to random food video. And as you can see, we still have Mom over here as usual. Mom.
Everyone.
Okay guys, so let's just get into the video.
Potatoes with broccoli and eggs like you've never tasted before. Simple, delicious, and perfect for any time of the day. I'll start by cutting 450 grams of potatoes in half.
I was going to say 450.
I'm using small potatoes.
450 potatoes.
I'll put everything in a pan.
Okay.
And before I forget, let me know which city you're watching from so I can send you a special shout out. Today's shout out goes to Michael Roberts from New York. I'm so happy you're enjoying our recipes. Drizzle with olive oil, season with salt, half a teaspoon of paprika,
I thought it was going to fry
Fried potato is the
half a
best.
tablespoon of
Boiled
oregano, half a teaspoon of garlic powder,
Wow.
juice of half a lime,
Enter my yellow line, it's in my sauce.
Sir. But
And mix well.
lime.
Now I'll bake it 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 minutes. Next, I'll cut broccoli into smaller
It's
pieces.
funny, I don't think I've tasted this. Broccoli. I don't think I've eaten broccoli.
Okay, you've not eaten it, but I've tasted
Eaten
it.
broccoli?
Yeah.
How did it taste?
Just like normal veggies. Just normal.
Then why did they hate so much?
People ate it.
Yeah, so people ate it. People like it.
I'll stir the potatoes,
What about-
then
it's
add
not
the
peeled
broccoli
back.
to the
No,
pan.
no.
Eat it like that.
Yes. Just wash it well out.
Here we have 2 cloves of garlic, which I'll chop into small pieces. Tell me, how do you prepare potatoes at home? I'd love to know your recipe. I'll also add them to the pan.
Garlic. What?
The broccoli is not so much.
It's
Now,
not. It's not.
I'll chop some parsley
But
and
it
mix
didn't
it with the
boil.
other ingredients.
For me, that garlic in there is what I don't.
like that?
I like it.
I'll
but
stir
not in
everything
this
really well.
particular, Yeah.
It gives it this taste of like.
Next, I'll slice some lemon rounds and add them to the pan.
Lemon, lemon, saliva.
Again.
This recipe is incredibly delicious. Try it at home and come back to tell me what you think. I'm sure you'll love it.
Wow.
Finally,
It
I'll
looks so
season with
simple.
salt
Easy to
to
make.
taste
Yeah.
and bake for another 15 minutes at
Okay,
400
bake
degrees
it again.
Fahrenheit. Meanwhile, in this other pan, I'll add half a tablespoon of butter and melt it.
Do you know what? I was thinking the food is ready, that is done preparing.
Before I said I
but-
was going to bake it again.
Yes, but now
Yeah.
that I've seen
Then why didn't he like wait and then bake it? Why did he bake the potato first?
first,
Then put everything again and then come and rebake the potato? Won't it make the potato like over?
that's what we don't know. Let's watch so that we can see the end product. Okay?
I'll add 2 eggs,
Yeah.
season with salt and black pepper, and let them fry. Now that our dish is out of the
Bake it
oven,
second
we can
time.
serve it with the fried
But
eggs.
everything look normal.
Bake it.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Guys, let me know in the comment down below. I don't think he baked it. I don't think
He did bake
twice.
it.
I
Are
do
you
not
taking
think
it back? He did bake it.
No, no, but I don't.
Okay.
You know what, guys? Let me know in the comments. If you watch this anytime, 2 years later, whatever, anytime you're watching this, let me know in the comments because
Bake
I don't think.
the second
I
time.
think it's once.
No, the second.
This flavor
Okay.
combination is absolutely incredible.
Oh my goodness.
I mean, it does not look bad.
Can you stand this egg?
Yeah, I can. You know,
Oh, no.
I'll crush it.
I don't eat half boiled egg
Really?
or half.
I'll crush it, man. It not look that. It not look that.
In the last couple of months,
So,
Guys, that's the video. Very short.
Very
If-
short.
You can try it out. Maybe we'll try it one day. Who knows? But yeah, that was just it, mom.
if I want to try it, that means my own egg will be well boiled and well cooked.
Cooked, fried.
This, no, for me. Okay.
I mean, not really look that raw, but yeah. Maybe
So
because of
that's
the
it.
yellow. The yellow is still looking raw.
Okay.
Anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and please leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe. You know the drill. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video.
Thanks,
Peace.
everyone. Bye.